Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple but professional 3D logo animation in Adobe After Effects using the Volkswagen logo. No third-party plugins, just native tools, clean lighting, and a chrome finish on a black background. For this tutorial, we're going to be using a vector or Illustrator file of the logo, a free HDRI image for environment reflection, and any version of Adobe After Effects that supports Cinema 4D rendering. So let's get started.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
Create a new composition. In the composition settings, switch the renderer to Cinema 4D. Import the logo and add it to the timeline. Right-click on the logo layer, go to Create and create shape from Vector layer. Make the layer 3D by clicking on the cube icon next to the layer. Open the New Shape Layers Geometry option. Increase extrusion depth, set bevel depth, and change bevel style to convex. Import your HDRI image and set it as an environment layer. Add 4-point light around the 3D logo. Use 2-view layout for accurate positioning and enable cast shadows in light settings. On the 3D layer, go to Material option, set reflection to 95%, enable specular, reflection, and accept shadows. Add a camera and a null object to control it. Make the null object a 3D layer and parent the camera to the null object. Create a second 3D null object and make the 3D logo layer a child of the null object. Animate the scale and rotation of the logo via its null. Animate the camera controller to add subtle movement or rotation for dynamic shots. And that is how you create a clean, simple 3D logo animation in After Effects, featuring realistic chrome lighting, HDRI reflection, and smooth camera motion. This technique works not just for car logo, but any brand emblem or design you want to give a professional 3D feel without ever leaving After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more high-quality motion graphics animation. Let me know what brand logo you want to see next. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for MotionDigit Studios.